lifestyle lovers, welcome back. Today is, well, not today, but tomorrow is renovation day for the new vinyl floors. As you can see, I have the chase in the kitchen. I am clearing out the entire living room, so I'm gonna try to push everything in the kitchen. We're gonna see how that's gonna go. I don't know how long it's gonna take. He said a maximum of 2 days. So hopefully, today is Wednesday, hopefully he starts tomorrow. So hopefully I'll have my house back for the weekend and I can clean up and get everything back together and show you guys. I am so excited. If you're new to my channel, I am replacing the carpet with luxury vinyl flooring, and here is, my phone is about to go dead. You can see the flooring behind me, so that's the flooring that is going to go down. Oh yeah, so let me get everything moved out of the way and get ready for the floors. I've completely cleaned out the living room floors. I'm going to get some help sliding this right there. And I'm gonna place the TV on top of the island, so I have to clean that off. But look at all my furniture pushed in the kitchen. And I need help with this too. This table is so freaking heavy, especially the glass on top. So I have to get some help in the morning when they come to install the flooring. But, oh shoot, I forgot to do a before video. Dang. Okay, well, I guess this is going to be the before video, but I wanted to do a before video with all of the furniture in the room. Dang. So, yeah, this will, I guess, have to constitute as the before video. Here's the flooring. So, I'm so excited. New flooring in the morning. No more dingy carpet. Look at that. My grandson wasted some tea earlier this week. So, yep. Don't have some more in stock, but I want to say that was.
You're not sure.
I'm not sure.
That little piece that we gonna cut off this one would fill the void over here, but it actually won't. We got to get it out of the skin.
The transition don't look bad.
Oh, it actually fits up pretty good.
Yeah, it does, man. The floors are almost finished. Of course, it's dusty in here, but I don't know. It just, I like them so far. It just looks really dark. Makes the room a little bit more darker. So yeah. But they're almost finished. They just have to place the transitions down. And yeah, so I'm excited to see the finished look. I know I'm gonna have to do some cleaning on them, but yeah. Hey, lifestyle lovers, the floors are completely done. I just cleaned it or went over it with some Bono stone tile and laminate floor cleaner. It doesn't say vinyl on here, but I checked the website and it is good for luxury vinyl. So I did not record it just for sake of time. We're gonna go ahead. The guys are gonna help me get the furniture back in place, and then I'm going to clean up. There is a lot of dust on the furniture, but they're done and I'm loving them. So yeah, that's it. Lifestyle lovers, the floors are done. We have the furniture back in place. The guys just helped me place the furniture back in place. So I have everything back in place, but they are done. Oop. It looks really, really good. Even the transition from the tile, kitchen tile, into the living room, it looks good and seamless. It looks good with my decor. Even if I decide to switch up in the future and go with some, you know, different living room, it looks good, y'all. It looks good, honey. So everything is dusty and I need to put everything back in place. So I am going to do a clean and decorate with me. Not tonight though, y'all, but look at that. Look at that new floors, child. Yes, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So yeah, so I am gonna probably wipe everything down and get everything back in order. And yeah, that's it for this video, lifestyle lovers. I hope you like my new floors because I sure do. Look at me. I'm trying to be in the frame with the floors. Okay, so we're going to be working on the stairs in a couple of weeks. I have some different ideas for the stairs, so that may take a little longer. But yeah, lifestyle lovers, thank you for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I have some more transformations coming up this year, and I don't want you to miss it. So see you soon.